Today's recipe is the perfect way to start your morning. Healthy, hearty, and full of real goodness. If you're cooking for someone on a clean diet or just want something wholesome for the family, this is it. And once you taste it, you'll know exactly why I had to share this. So let's get started. Let's start with the avocado. I've got 2 ripe ones here. Cut them in half, remove the stone, and scoop out all that creamy goodness with a spoon. Now just mash it up. Use a fork or spoon, whatever feels easiest. Once it's nice and smooth, crack in 2 eggs. But if you like more eggs, you can always add more. Mix it well until everything's beautifully combined. Then add a splash of milk, just enough to loosen it up. Now for the flour, I'm using buckwheat. It's gluten-free, high in fiber, rich in protein, and honestly, great for diabetics too. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons, about 30 grams. Not too much. You can skip it if you want, totally optional. Give everything a gentle mix with a spatula, and of course we can't forget a little cheese. Now comes the seasoning, just some salt and pepper. Feel free to adjust it your way. You can even play with your own twist if you like. Once it's all mixed, transfer the batter into a piping bag. It makes the cooking part so much easier. Now heat your pan. Medium heat is just right. Here I'm using vegetable spray, but butter or oil works just fine too. Start piping the mixture into the pan. Cover and cook slowly. Make sure the heat stays low to medium. Since we added buckwheat, it needs a little extra time to cook through. Flip them gently once the bottom is set, and keep cooking until they're perfectly golden. Just look at this. Healthy, delicious, and the perfect start to your morning. Soft, fluffy, and packed with good fats, protein, and everything your body needs. It's light, it's comforting, and it's something you can feel good about sharing with your family. So, how's the recipe? If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for easier, healthy, feel-good recipes just like this one. I'll see you in the next one.